everyone present here. Myself Faiza, student of BSc Bio first year. First of all, thank you for providing me an opportunity on this special day to deliver our patriotic and meaningful speech. ना पूछो ज़माने को क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछो ज़माने को क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ यह है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं. Today we gather to celebrate one of the most significant days in the history of our great nation, Indian Independence Day. India achieved independence on 15 August 1947. It is the day India became free from British rule for almost 200 years and after a continuous struggle by our freedom fighters. The movement for independence in India was started by the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. 15th August is celebrated with high enthusiasm in order to pay honor to our legendary freedom fighters. In 2024, India will proudly celebrate its 78th Independence Day on 15th August. This day marks the end of British control in 1947 and the start of India's journey as a free and independent nation. In 1947, Indians acquired control over all their fundamental rights. Bangal Pandey was the first Indian soldier in the British force who raised his voice against the irregularities and the illegalities in the British rule. Dear listener, it was not easy to get the freedom from the British and break the chains of slavery. Many people were destitute or saw their wives and children's dead bodies. ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत शहीदों ने की, लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत शहीदों ने की, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना. As we host the tricolor, we must remember the values and principles of our independence movement: unity, diversity, and inclusion. The spirit of nationalism and patriotism fills the air as we celebrate this day. Just like the color of our flag represents, saffron signifies courage and sacrifice, whereas white signifies peace and truth, and green signifies faith and surety. India is a land where people of different regions and cultures live together harmoniously. This day is a celebration of our unique heritage and culture. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our soul. Independence Day motivates us to love our country and be forever willing to sacrifice our lives for its honor and integrity. In the end, India's fight for the independence was a long, hard process that took many years. It was a long fight that involved many sacrifices, protests, and movements. In the end, the country won its freedom from British rule. Now, I would like to conclude my speech with these lines. जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहाँ बहती है गंगा, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है,